Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good peach cobbler. Very easy to do. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, I'm going to use one stick of butter here. Put it in this measuring cup. Okay, we're going to pop this in the microwave, melt it down. Okay, we're going to put our melted butter into the pan. Like that. We're going to put this to the side. Okay, with one bowl, you're going to add in 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, okay, I'm going to add in a pinch of salt. Okay, then I want to add in 1 cup of milk. And then I'm going to take a whisk and whisk this together. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay. And now I'm just going to pour this right over the batter. Take my spatula, kind of rake out the excess, whatever's left in here. Take as much as I can into the... Okay, we're going to add 2 cans of peaches. Okay, we're going to have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And we're going to have 1 cup of sugar. First we'll kind of mix this together real good first. Okay, I'm going to skip the boiling part because these are canned peaches and they're already soft enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add this all together. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon sugar on top. Okay, you're going to place this into the oven for about 350 Fahrenheit for about 14 or 45 minutes or until it's done. We'll come back and take a look at it. Okay, take a look at that. That's piping hot, so I'm going to let this cool down. Then we'll come back and take a look, try at this. That smells so wonderful. Okay, we're going to do that. Take a piece of this out here. Oh, this is going to be beautiful. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on this. I've been waiting. I like to make this. Alright, here we go. Oh my god. That is so delicious. It is. It's got a little bit of crunch right here with it. Very hot. Alright, I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. If you don't subscribe, if you do subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day.